How to remove video background using Veed. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'll show you guys a quick and easy way to remove your video background. So first off, head over to veed.io and go to its home screen. Now you can just go ahead and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you'll get to your workspace, and if you haven't already created an account, you can always create an account for free. So once you've done that, let's just head over to a new project. So I'm just going to click on this new project option and then create a new project for my video. So you could choose file from here, or you can just import from stock videos. So let me just go ahead and import the stock video right here. So once you've chosen your video, what you can do is you'll have the magic tools option. You can click on it and then you can remove background from here. But you have to note that this is a pro feature, but before this, Veed used to give this feature for free when it was in beta version. But now you are going to have to upgrade to Veed's pro version to apply this effect. You can still see the preview here, and you can change different kinds of backgrounds from here as well if you want. So that's how you basically remove or change background on Veed. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.